Hey everybody, my name is Travis and this is Travis Pack Pulls, and we're back with Hobby. Oop, I'm shaking stuff. Topps Gypsy Queen. I got 4 boxes of this. 2 of these boxes that I have are I'm doing this thing I do with my buddy where we draft the teams, split up the players based off of what we draft, and go from there. This is this box, and then my next box will be for that. And then I have 2 boxes for myself coming in. So we'll get started in this. We got quite a few already. There's 2 guaranteed autos in there. And they're on-card autographs, it looks like. Let's see what we got. 24 packs, 8 cards per pack. Does it give you? There's some of the odds. So there's a chrome box topper in here, which has some of the chrome cards in it, and then there's some of the cards you can get. Autograph Superfractor, 1 out of 2,000 packs. Haven't seen anybody pull that in any of the videos I've watched, so maybe we'll be the lucky ones. Alright. Because there's so many, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. If you could, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Always looking for to bump up the sub numbers. In the background, I got a couple other Gypsy Queen pulls from our retail opening. We got Jordan Indigo Parallel to 250 of a mini, and then we got missing nameplate Johnny Bench, which is already a short print, so super short print. So let's get started. We've got Yon Moncada's our first card. We got an upside down card, Michael Brantley. I don't think there's anything special about this card. Again, if it's like a Jackie Robinson Day card, it's super hard to tell because you can't see his numbers. So yeah. No, we got Jordan Alvarez, the World. That's a good one. That's mine. So as I'll show you. I kind of, as soon as some of the big hits come out, I'll kind of break down who's who. And so I'm Astros, obviously. He's got his big team's the Jays. So I've seen 3 breaks of this product, and I've seen 3 Bo Bichette autographs pulled. So Mark Melancone, Miles Mikolas, upside down Xander Bogaerts. Is there something different that I'm just not getting? It just doesn't seem like it. I don't know. All right. Wheel of Fortune, Ronald Acuna Jr. Braves is me. We got Yadier Molina, Brock Holt, Austin Dean, and Brandon Woodruff. I've got both of the tarot card parallels so far. Those are ones I didn't get in it. Another upside down card. Carlos Santana, Sheldon Neuse, right? Yeah. Bob Conforto, Starling Marte, Brandon Dixon, JD Davis, Adrian Morho, and Shedlong. I'm just kind of grabbing from the box whatever's easy and convenient, so I'm not like picking specifically which ones, but we got Williams Astudillo, Carlos Correa, Rafael Devers, Ryan O'Hearn. We got a mini of Ronald Acuna Jr. Nice. Always like him. I like getting those. That's also mine. Ty France, Nick Solak, and Javier Baez. The upside down cards makes it look like I got a hit in all the packs. Ahmed Rosario, Patrick Corbin, James Marvell. Oh, this is an autograph, so we'll move that guy. Or it's a parallel, so I'll put that to the back. Corbin, James Marvell, or Marvel, Anthony Santander, Walker Buehler. We got a base Jordan Alvarez. I'll take it. It's a congratulations card, it looks like. So yeah, it is. So let's see what we got. We got Howie Kendrick, and then our congratulations is Taylor Ward. That's mine, but it's not quite the angel we're looking for. So Taylor Ward is the auto today, or for our first auto, the first hit. There's one more in the box. We'll get that sleeved up. All right, we got Chris Archer, something Rodriguez, Jose Rodriguez, Will Smith, Luke Weaver, Yasmani Grandal, Matt Tice, JT Realmuto, and Pete Alonso. That was a pretty quiet pack compared to all the other packs where we've gotten like an insert. No color yet, so hopefully soon we get some good color. Peter Lambert, Mike Trout. Mike Trout always goes to the side for me. Trevor Story is our upside down card. And we got a Reggie Jackson short print. He's our usually one per box, it says, so that's actually his. Eloy Jimenez, Lourdes Gurriel, Anthony K, and William Adames. We got Wilson Contreras, Bubba Starling, Ronald Acuna Jr., Chris Davis, Adam Tavino, Andres Munoz, Ostinola, and Anderson Simmons. The Ostinola, we got a missing nameplate of him in our retail box. Actually, I have it sitting right here. Let's see, missing nameplate. Now all he needs to do is become huge for that card to be worth something. All right, we got a tarot card in here. We got Kyle Seager, AJ Minter, Josh Bell, Rafael Devers, The World. That's his. Kayvon Biggio, Refnet Odor, Tyler Glasnow, and Kirby Yates. Moving right along. We got Michael Lorenzen, Jose Ramirez, Yolmer Sanchez, Christian Yelich, Miguel Cabrera, Seth Brown, Alex Colomb, and Jorge Alfaro. Still waiting for, let's see, color. I know there's got at least one in here. And then we have one more hit. And this one's got a mini in it, looks like. David Dahl, Noah Syndergaard, Bobby Bradley, Buster Posey, our minis Max Scherzer. That's mine. Matt Chapman, Max Scherzer, and Anthony Rizzo. Harrison Bader, Shane Bieber, Giancarlo Stanton, Adam Hazley, Kyle Schwarber, and that is a logo swap for the Cubs. That's his. Domingo Leyba, Shane Hilliard, or Sam Hilliard, and Dustin May. John Means, Vladdy Jr., Matt Boyd, Nolan Arenado, Nate Williams, Nick Williams, Ronaldo Guzman, Ronald Guzman. Yeah, I don't know any of these guys apparently. TJ Zeusch, Zach Collins. We're just kind of going quickly because I'm sure everybody's seen a lot of these cards already. Another upside down card, shocker. All right. We got Gio Urshela, Kyle Schwarber, Aaron Judge. I think that's the first Aaron Judge I've seen. Max Fried, Anthony Rendon, Emmanuel Chase, Michael Brousseau, and Austin Riley. We got Austin Riley, a blue in the retail. So. No color yet. Wow. Tim Anderson, Willie Castro, Paul DeYoung, Shin-Soo Choo, William Ramos, Michael Baez, Robbie Ray, and Trey Mancini. Jose Abreu, Steve Metz, Ozzie Albies, Yu Chang. Oh, that's a bazooka back. I forgot to even look for those. That is a bazooka back of somebody I don't even know what his name is. M. Valoria. So that is a Royal. And that is going to be his bazooka back. We got Urena, Laureano, and then Davies. I'm going to have to go through all those at the end of this video and see if there's any other bazooka backs. We got, oh, there's our other auto. Jake Rogers, Trent Grisham, Brian Reynolds, Eshelman, Tom Eshelman, George Springer, Luis Arias, Tommy Edman, I think his name is. All right, and then we'll see what we got. AY, who is that? Yates, no. All right, we got of Alex Young, Diamondbacks. That's his hit. So pretty subpar autos. I swear, I feel like I've seen just 1,000 Taylor Ward autos, not just a Gypsy Queen, but of him, period, and this year's set, and that's what everybody seems to be pulling. So that's his. At least we both got an auto out of here. All right, we got some color finally. Hey, yo. All right, we got Kyle Hendricks, Jacob deGrom, Victor Robles, Dom Nunez, Nick Senzel, Adam Savali, and Travis Demerite. And our color is, it's a Diamondback, so that's his. It's Eduardo Escobar out of 150. So, not the best color guy, but it's color nonetheless. Color is always solid. I still think the cards I have in the back, right there, are worth more. Sorry, adjusting the light. All right, moving on. We got Dario Agrizel, Justin Turner, Jeff Samardzija, Eddie Rosario, Derek Dietrich, Jeff McNeil, Jack Flaherty, and Rowdy Tellez. Got a couple of Rowdy Tellez autographs from gallery. No, I got one. All right, moving on. We got Nelson Cruz, Jake Arrieta, Andrew Benintendi, Zach Gallen, Kyle Lewis, Justin Smoke, Oscar Mercado, and Zach Greinke. Hey, crushed that pack. Knew all those players. Moving on, we got Dylan Cease, Christian Vasquez, Brendan McKay, Gavin Lux. There we go. There's a good rookie. Nomar Mazzaro, Travis Denard, Randall Grichuk, and Danny Jansen. I knew that one too. Did I put my Jordan? I did. Okay, cool. I was like, man, did I put my Jordan base there? All right. We got Franmil Reyes, Nico Horner, Juan Soto. Oh, there's a mini of Fernando Tatis Jr. Didn't even notice that was in there. Nice, that one's mine. Once Alzolay, Manny Machado, Didi Gregorius, and Alex Young. Oh, we got color in here. This is the indigo, I believe. This will be out of 250. Logan Allen, Asdrubal Cabrera, Willie Calhoun, Trevor Williams, David Peralta, Yusei Kikuchi, something Lopez, and then our color is, it's a twin. That would be his, Luis Ariz. Tim Lopez is that. And that one's to 250. So not bad. He got both the color. That one's got like kind of a messed up corner though. It looks like, yeah, look at that corner. So last pack of the regular stuff before we jump into our chrome box topper. All right, we got a mini. So Hanser Alberto, yeah, I crushed it. Finally, I got his name. Paul Goldschmidt, Byron Buxton, Danny Duffy, Williams Astudillo, and he got his first mini. Jordan Yamamoto, Tommy Pham, and Christian Walker. All right, let's jump into this chrome box topper and see if we get anything good. I don't think you can get autos out of it, so. Oh, wow. There's a gold in here. So we got Nick Senzel. Oh, that's stuck to another card. Didi Gregorius. And Williams Astudillo. Man, we crushed the box on him. Out of 50. Out of 50. He got all the color my buddy did in today's set. So he had a much bigger box probably. Definitely. But all right, so here's his hits. You got the Astudillo out of 50. Pretty nice. You got the Arias out of 250. Gavin Lux base. He's got Eduardo Escobar out of 150. And then we've got the Alex Young auto and Viloria. Bazooka back. Kyle Schwarber logo swap. And then the Reggie Jackson short print. Out of mine, it's not as pretty as yours, as his. You got Trout, or I got Trout. I got the Taylor Ward auto, just Trout base. Jordan base, and then I got the Jordan, the World. And then I got a couple minis. Let's see what I get. I got Acuna, Scherzer, and Tatis. So that's that. Let me double check for bazookas. Make sure. Should be pretty easy to spot. I need to go through them all and see if I can't find, if I'm missing, like, I'll go through them or outside of the video to see if there's players weekends, or I didn't notice any players weekends or Jackie Robinson days. The Jackie Robinson days are going to be a little trickier because I got to try to find the number. So, all right, and that's that. So, that's everything out of my first box. I'll be doing another box. These are gonna go up on a Saturday. There'll be a weekend one because nobody wants to watch two regular ones. So, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.